Please stand, if you are able, for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Longhorn Universe. Welcome to LSPN. I'm Hayden Rio.
And I'm Savannah Araya.
Happy National
Tooth Fairy Day!
It's like we said that at the same time. Let's jump right into the announcements. All freshmen, in order to receive your Chromebook, you must have registered online at www.121risk.com. Please remind your parents that this is a requirement. If you aren't sure if you've already registered, please visit the Technology Office, room 2000.
Reminder to all students, don't forget to regularly check your school emails to receive emails from your teachers, Blackboard emails, notes from your administrators, school newsletters, Google Classroom posts, and voting opportunities throughout the year. Stay informed.
When you buy a yearbook by August 31st, you save over $17 and receive a free nameplate yearbookordercenter.com. School code is 17228. The 2018 yearbooks are available for pickup in the school store.
School pictures are Wednesday, August 22nd. Freshmen, sophomore, and juniors will take their pictures in the main gym. If you did not get picture day packets from your science teachers on Friday, please ask your teacher for a packet today. If you prefer to get your form online, here's the link, www.wagnerportraitgroup.com. Use the password Parkway West.
Remember that this Thursday, August 23rd, is open house at 6:30 to 8:30. Invite your parents to come. Next up, updates on clubs and activities.
If you would like to join the Longhorn sports production team, cover games in the stadium, and get paid for it, please see Gossett. You will get the opportunity to handle cameras, take part in graphic and animation.
This year is the first Women of West meeting, and it will be held Wednesday, August 22nd in Miss Bernstein's room, room 3301 at 7 a.m. Join us to find all about Women at West's meetings, activities, and goals for the 2018-19 school year, and all women are welcome.
If you would like to apply for the Beta Chi Pi Science Honor Society, please see the board outside for Miss Suye's room 1003 for details. If interested, you get a copy of the application from Miss Suye, and if you are qualified, start attending the club's first meeting this year on Wednesday, August 22nd at 7 a.m.
Improv is fun. Join it. Open practices are from 8/21/23, which is next Tuesday and Thursday. Through Thursday, everyone is welcome at the open practices, and we'll have a bunch of fun improv games preparing for the week of auditions the following week.
Join FunSize Film Club if you're interested in creating original short films, acting, editing, and more info meeting is Thursday, August 23rd after school, and the first film pitch day is Thursday, August 30th.
Well, that's all we have for today, fellow Longhorns.
Remember, stay classy, West High. Thanks for stopping by.